Good evening, this is Matthew, Big Cedar Living. We're coming with you tonight in June of 2026 with a small farm, small garden project experiment that we have going on here. This land right here in this particular spot is a little wet, and so we did not plant earlier in the spring like most folks do. Instead, we let it dry out a little bit until June, so we're mid-June right now. And a lot of the moisture is out of the soil, or at least it's out to where we can get in here and do some tilling. So what we have going on here with this experiment, this is our first year doing it. We came in with a little John Deere tractor, John Deere tiller, and we have tilled 5-foot strips across this little field, 5 foot wide, approximately 130 feet long. And we have 8 of these strips across here, so roughly 1/10 of an acre that's cultivated. And so what you'll see is also we left spaces in between that is not cultivated. Those are approximately 5 to 6 foot. And we left that for a reason, kind of act as a natural cover crop that can kind of help absorb some of the rain that we have upcoming and hold it over the summer. At least that's our thought process on it. Kind of help supply some moisture for the crops themselves. We will be doing just a mixed crop system here. It's just going to be a variety of vegetables, flowers, a few of our summer grains, such as millet and millet and sorghum Sudan. Yeah, sorghum, not sorghum Sudan, but sorghum itself. So just a few of our summer grains, just kind of play around with, might keep it for some chicken feed. But we have 8 rows across here, and so we're kind of excited to kind of see how it shapes up. We're going to record the process as we go along here. Over here along the roadside, we have our county road here, a fence row that we're working on cleaning out. Then we have cultivated the same thing or tilled a strip down it. This will be complete summer flowers. And so just a variety of flowers that we're going to be putting out. And so our goal is here just to make it very aesthetic for everyone driving by. Kind of bring some joy to people's lives. And we may, if everything comes up and they produce well, we may actually let folks come in and be able to just pick flowers on their own. So that's kind of our goal here. It's a long strip that hopefully will just be full of mixed variety of flowers. So this is what we have going on. Again, it was with a small John Deere tractor, John Deere tiller, and this is what we had on hand at the moment. Not promoting one brand over the other, but that's what we have. And so it will be cultivated or tilled one more time, just to kind of get a little more fluff to it. There's some, grass we have drying out, and we just want everything to get dried. And we want to be able to break these clumps down here just a little bit more. So it's going to be tilled at least one more time, maybe another. But depending on where you're at in the field, some of it is definitely finer. Kind of depends on the area where some of the moisture is still residing a little bit. So this is our plans now, and we'll continue recording the process.